I welcome AG Dr. Desziree Richardson all the way from the United Kingdom. Thank you so much for joining. Please share your views on emotional intelligence, goal setting, and leadership skills. Here we have AG Richardson. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Wow, what a great, awesome welcome by some amazing students. You should be proud of yourselves. You are all amazing. I'll be definitely putting on my camera after these beautiful messages that I want to leave with you today, and also to share with you on this journey to help you discover who you really are and who you want to be in the world. And always before I do my speeches, I always start off with this message. So please allow me to do this. My one wish is for you as students and students everywhere in the world to feel inclusive, empowered, and to be happy and educated, to live in a world where their dreams and aspirations are valued and they are given equal opportunities to broaden their horizons in an environment where their voices are heard and their opinions are cared for, appreciated, and respected, and where love, diversity, kindness, and peace can be radiated and felt through your existence and experience as students. Thank you to our excellent panel, also for our lovely speaker all the way from the USA. Thank you so much. And of course, to all of the educators, parents, and to you, the students, for once again, for your warm and heartfelt connection as part of this incredible international leadership and skill development program. Super excited to highlight the importance of emotional intelligence, goal setting, and leadership development skills, and to be part of this panel of leaders and educators from around the world. All my love to you, Monira Sultana, if I pronounce your name correctly. Thank you for extending this warm invitation, and I'm genuinely honored and exceptionally grateful to you for allowing me to speak to the most outstanding students and remarkable guests. However, society, educators, and leaders that heed the best interests of their students' well-being and emotional intelligence create and secure a better future for the nation and the world at large. And it's an honor to entrust a brighter outlook to your students' development. So thank you all for doing this amazing job. Furthermore, providing the opportunity to share such knowledge, experience, and awareness of the significance of using research tools and methods to highlight the common goals of today's excellent ambition. Firstly, emotional intelligence is vital to instill in our children from an adolescent age. Yes, why? It empowers them to make better judgments. Once again, it empowers them to make better judgments and choices, become more responsible, embrace a healthier outlook on life later, and enhance their career and personal development. They become more empowered to work from a positive mindset and heart space rather than operating from the ego. They will learn and have the emotional intelligence to help them overcome challenges they might encounter on their life journey. They will learn how to practice empathy and to be considerate of others people's emotions. For them to be emotionally intelligent is to protect their feelings from being hurt and to practice empathy, which helps them understand how others might feel when they are also hurt. Lastly, just to name a few, they will become more self-aware and help create a balanced world where equality, equity, inclusion, and diversity are accepted and respected. Emotional intelligence awareness gives every student the confidence, You will set goal as a student. You will become a leader in your field. You will excel, you will achieve and make a difference in the world. You need emotional intelligence to set goals and develop leadership skills. To set these goals, you must be self-aware as a student and realistic about the goals and skills you need to develop to gain the outcome for your future endeavors. Goal setting. For an example, if you would like to become a speaker, for example, once again, what do you need to do? Emotion. To convey a message to an audience, to grasp their attention effectively. Emotional intelligence. Skill. You need to learn the necessary skills to do this. The power of communication. Research method is part of the goal setting. So in order to set these goals and to aspire them, you need to research on the tools and the skills that is needed to help you to achieve when you outset your goals. It will help if you had all of this information to support your set goals to become a speaker. So this is about setting your goals, and in order to set your goals, you must be emotionally intelligent. You will need leadership skills to achieve the goals you set. Emotional intelligence is the first powerful awareness tool for you as students. It is also crucial in today's shaping society. It's for everyone to be self-aware, not only students, but also educators, leaders, and parents, so that we all wisely manage our actions in society, increasing our well-being and our students' and children's well-being, and becoming more self-aware of the thoughts we create. When you are self-aware of your thoughts, it will enable you to control your mindset to decrease stress and understand how to cope. Self-love is also crucial. It's a beautiful self-awareness tool to have. For you as a student at an early age to self-regulate and create long-lasting and healthy relationships along your path. And it's for us as educators and leaders to ensure that you have these skills and you are self-aware. To be empathetic and have the social skill and proficiency and understanding to help you empathize with others, set goals, achieve them, and become a leader and change maker. As an emotional intelligence student, you will understand how to be humble, live in gratitude, and help others to become more self-aware and in control of their emotional intelligence. My general message to everyone: we are all leading the student in some shape or form, whether leading as parents, school principals, or educators. As leaders, we should continuously come together as a positive force of influence to create a substantial amount of awareness of emotional intelligence to leave a lengthy effect on transforming lives and the mindset of society, significantly the younger generation. Our world is moving swiftly, and we all need to be better informed. Therefore, it is pertinent to be better educated and self-aware of the significance of how emotional intelligence plays in our lives, explore the facts and critical components, and conclude to find solutions to help bring awareness to the world. Research has shown that some of the common issues in society are social anxiety, family problems, depression, being overwhelmed, low self-esteem, and relationship problems, such as certain aspects of emotional and intimate relationships. When our society is more empowered with emotional intelligence awareness, our families, homes, and children can become more resilient in choosing what to allow to manifest in their lives. However, we are now experiencing and living in crucial times. Our society needs to embrace and share more love, kindness, generosity, and harmony to become and overcome and break through any barriers of discrimination, overlook, feeling unworthy, and limiting beliefs. To all my beautiful students here, you are more than enough. You can achieve and you will achieve your heart desires in a world filled with endless possibilities and opportunities. Keep your head high, your eyes on the prize, because you are the prize. Take care of your emotional intelligence, set your goals, become the leader. My message for everyone, I strongly encourage you to continue on this journey to heal the world and break the ice into better working relationship among us as leaders, teachers, and citizens. Everyone is generally in favor of supporting each other from an authentic space in your hearts and sharing more love and admiration towards each other where there's no envy but compassion and inspiration to do more. In my last words today, when we come together, we are magical. Let's continue to show a beacon of hope for diversity so that we all feel be considerate, patient, and charitable, so that we set an example for the future generation where every young child feels safe, protected, and where every human being deserves a chance to inspire the world. Some are so deserving, and all are, and should not feel insufficient, but valued and loved. I want to end by saying this: let's put love in all we do. When love wins, the world wins. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. I can't hear very well, but thank you all for having me. It's a beautiful day to, to come together to empower the world through education and to support our next generation to, to improve their daily living and to enhance the world to be more greater. And, if each of us play a role, then we will help the world to achieve where we need to be, especially in these crucial times. So thank you once again for having me. All my love to all of you. And thank you to all the speakers as well and educators. Thank you.